to be here. My name is Mireku Jackline. I'm a fourth-year linguistics and Twi student at the University of Education, Winneba. And today I'll be presenting on from limited context to rich data, that's elevating Twi NLP through diverse and verified datasets. So, we all can attest to the fact that AI has advanced to the point that it can be applied in various domains such as healthcare, agriculture, and even education. But there is a persistent problem, that is, most existing Twi datasets come from narrow domains such as religious texts that are sourced from either the Bible or Jehovah's Witness books. Why then are we saying this matters? Sorry. This limits their utility in translation, conversational agents, and domain-specific applications. An example is when these data sets are applied in domain-specific applications such as healthcare or agriculture, large language models perform poorly. An example can be seen on my extreme right, where a sample sentence was translated using ChatGPT, and according to the linguistic rules that governs Twi, the translation is inaccurate. What then is our contribution, or what are we contributing? Contributing a large Twi to English corpus covering multiple domains. Then secondly, a continuous update framework. That's unlike static data sets, our framework automatically replaces outdated translations when stronger models become available. And then lastly, an intuitive web and mobile interface that will enable expert reviewers to validate translations, suggest corrections, and track quality over time. How then are we going to build a data set? Firstly, we would source raw text from diverse domains, then we perform machine translation, then we perform automatic filtering, finally reviewing and updating our data set. This has been sectioned into three main parts, where we have the data stage, translation, and finally the evaluation stage. So at the data stage, we will source data from diverse real-world domains and also generate synthetic data to balance underrepresented categories. Moving to the translation stage, we'll perform translations using multilingual MT models, and then finally perform cosine similarity filtering and expert validation. So, this is an overview of our continuous update framework, where we have the data sources, then ensemble of MT models, and finally the evaluation and storage stage, where we compare and filter out poor translations. Now, the uniqueness of our presentation, our framework, is that when new models and also better performing models are released, it can be added to the cascading stage or level. Okay, so what are we anticipating, or what do we aim to achieve? We aim to translate over 20,000 sentence pairs covering 5 or more domains. Secondly, blue improvements of +3 to +6 compared to JW300. And also at least 80% of our translations scoring 4 out of 5 in human fluency and adequacy ratings. Then finally, inter-annotator agreement is expected to reach a K value greater than 0.75. Okay, so this is an extensive project, and I would like to call all hands on deck. So, if anybody is interested in joining our incredible team, you can scan the QR code. However, if you scan and you're having problems with it, you can, if you see me, you can talk to me directly, so I help you out. So, this is the team currently working on the project. We have myself and then my incredible brother, who is also my mentor, who guided me throughout this project. Thank you.